Happy greetings everyone. Thank you so much ISCS for giving me this opportunity to present you guys with a really wonderful and a phenomenal story of a guy. So, there was this guy in 1938 in Hungary who was really good at shooting, and everyone in Hungary believed it, yes, he's the one who is going to win us home the Olympic gold medal of 1940s. And he also believed in the same theory because he has trained his arm to become the one of the most skillful arm in the history of rifle shooting, and he was all ready for this challenge. But in 1938, the destiny had some other plans. During an army training, a bomb blasted in this guy's hand. In his only hand, which he has trained and worked upon for so many years. In his hand, in which every citizen of Hungary believed it, yes, this is the hand which is going to bring us home the Olympic gold medal. This is the hand which he has trained upon for many years. And now, that hand has been gone. And this guy, he was shattered. He was in tears. And at that moment, he had two paths. First, either to cry and whine on the thing which he has lost and to slip under the rock from the world's eyes, or to focus on something he was left with. And he was left with a left hand. So, by his mentality, he underwent a surgery, and after a month, he was again in the ground field. He was ready to practice again as hard as before, and he was ready to put his all blood and sweat in his training, and he has taken this challenge very positively. Then came the National Championship of Hungary in 1939. This guy also went and showed up. Every participant of Hungary in rifle shooting came there. They were mocking at him, they were laughing at him, they criticized him. Hey, why are you even here? You have lost your hand. How you can participate in the tournament? But this guy, he has practiced himself for 1 year and he was ready for the challenge. He participated in the tournament where everyone was participating, was competing with their best hand. And this guy, he was competing with his only hand. But guess what? Who won the championship? The guy with the only hand. But he was not stopping there. He was not settling for this less. His main focus was 1940s Olympics gold medal. But due to ongoing World War, the 1940 Olympics were called off. But this guy didn't got shattered. He shifted his focus to 1944 Olympics. But due to ongoing World War, the 1944 World Olympics had to called off. But this guy again shifted his focus to 1948 Olympics, and he showed up there where everyone was participating with their best hand, and this guy was participating with his only hand. And guess what? Who won the 1948 Olympics gold medal in 50-meter rifle shooting? The guy with the only hand. And he proved the world that why with dedicated efforts can bring you success. But he was not settling for that as well. He shifted his focus to 1952 Olympics, and he showed up there where everyone was participating with their best hands, and this guy was participating with his only hand. And guess what? Who won the championship? Who won the gold medal of 1952 Olympics? The guy with the only hand. And that year, he created history to become the only first guy to win 2 consecutive gold medals in the same category of shooting. So, this was his story. But what we learn from his story? So, there are 2 major outcomes from his story. First, there's a clear difference between a winner and a loser's mindset. A loser will find 1,000 different ways and excuses to not do a task. But a winner, on the other hand, even if he has thousands of hurdles and obstacles on his path, he just needs one way to move ahead, to go further. Second, success is not going to come in a one day. It is not a one-day task. As great Abraham Lincoln said, if you give me 6 hours to chop down a tree, I'll spend the first 4 in sharpening the axe. That means that success requires dedicated efforts day after day, because success requires dedicated efforts and positive state of mind. So guys, anytime you find yourself you're not finding success or you're stuck at path, just remind yourself one thing, that success is chasing you from behind. You just need to go on this path of hard work and patience. Yeah, that's from my side. Thank you so much ISCS and Shrikant sir for giving this opportunity. Thank you.